Welcome to Auto. Today I will show you how to fix your Firestick 4K remote if it's not working or not responding.
Fix 1. Replace batteries. Step 1. Open the back cover of the remote. Step 2. Remove the old batteries. Step 3. Insert new batteries correctly. Fix 2. Restart Firestick. Step 1. Unplug the Firestick from power. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and try the remote. Fix 3. Repair remote. Step 1. Hold the home button for 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the light to blink. Step 3. Check if the remote responds. Fix 4. Reset remote. Step 1. Hold back, menu left navigation together for 10 seconds. Step 2. Release and wait a few seconds. Step 3. Try pairing again. Fix 5. Use Fire TV app. Step 1. Download the Amazon Fire TV app on your phone. Step 2. Connect phone to the same Wi-Fi.